Hey, it's me, I'm Jermaine Callando, and I'm back with actually hair porn. So this is a hair porno. Yes. As y'all know, I've been trying to give y'all a hair porno actually for about 3 months. And that means I apologize immensely. Y'all supposed to get a video like last month, and the week before that, a month before that, and a month before that, and it's been a weird moment. So it's officially, that means it's Tuesday, and today you're gonna not get a hair porno. You're gonna get a hair talk, because why not? That means this: you will next 4 weeks will get I would say I'm gonna combine November and December, so that'll be like 8 weeks. So the next 7 weeks is gonna be a lot of pornos because we're now in holiday season, and it also means that right now we're gonna do the hair talks because means that also I am 4 year natural. I'm 4 years natural, and it's really amazing. This is what my hair looks like. I actually put on some products, so you're not gonna lie. I'm going to be giving y'all pretty much those videos weekly. So I don't know how I'm going to do most of that, but you're going to get a lot of different hairstyles I'm going to give you for fall into winter, because winter actually doesn't start till December 20th. So right now you're going to get a lot of how I'm doing fall, which I'm going to discuss it with you. My hair looks like this with product. I'm not really going to give you how it looks dry because sometimes I look crazy. And sometimes it looks just like, oh, you didn't do nothing. Who cares? Having this means I'm going to be changing the name of being hair porno. So it's going to be hair porno and Jermaine does hair? I don't know. I'm still thinking about the title. But 4 years natural means that I have finally officially did it. I don't know how, and I'm really grateful because this was a long process. To anyone that's in year 1, I know the struggle. Year 2, I was with you with the struggle. Year 3, I was with you last year. Now I'm year 4. That means that I've maintained my hair length, and also my hair is way longer than it ever looks like, because guess what? I like my shrunken state. It's not that shrunken. I feel like at a certain year, I would say year 2, year 3, your hair will stay a certain length. It won't stay a certain length. It will bypass that length, but sometimes your hair has something that's kind of like muscle memory, where your hair just shows up at a certain length. Like say my back looks crazy, but I know it's longer than it did last year. Which I'll probably look through everything like that. I don't do pictures, and I don't show y'all like, ooh, let me give you a ruler. Because that is something I am not about. If you're watching this and say, why doesn't he do that? That's because I don't agree with it. Because at the end of the day, my hair growth levels compared to yours are not the same. You may be doing a protective style that may help your hair grow faster. You may be doing things where you're not supposed to be doing and your hair is growing faster. Your hair can grow at a very stump rate. That makes me look like I'm teaching you something that may not occur. All I can say is, on an average person, your hair grows 6 inches every year. That means also that without shedding, that's a lot of inches. But you shed naturally just as much as your hair grows. Your hair is going to grow, like I said, 1 inch every 2 months. But your shedding should be like 1/4 of an inch. So naturally, they say 6 inches. But technically, by that math, you should really have 4 inches. But if your hair naturally grows at a faster rate, and it propels faster, or say your hair has memory of your hair being this long. Say if I cut my hair like this, like 2 or 3 inches, some people's hair will go back to 2 inches within a month. Really, it's amazing because that really does happen. You're like, really? Yes. People always get really into these stripes of, when I grew my hair, it wasn't like this. True, because you grew your hair from scratch. Or your hair was at a certain thing and it was damaged. Damaged hair does not mean it's going to do the same thing as healthy hair. You cut off the damaged part, all your hair now is fully straightly, all this beauty, all this stuff, it's all going to do the great things that you want. If you cut off all your dead ends, it's just going to grow like a rapid rate. You want it to. And also, there's other things you have to do, like maintain moisture. Yes, being natural means I have to maintain moisture almost all the time. Do I wet my hair every day? Personally, I actually do. Is it good to do that? No. But, I mean, I use still stuff like my spray bottle. I have an oil mix still. I'm going to give you videos of that as well. But what's in my spray bottle and all that kind of stuff. What I want to do for the fall and all that greatness next week. My beard. How does he look? Hairs. Hairs has been growing fully for a year. I gave it a taper. That's why I have like a little bit of new growth. But it's also getting full right there. And it helped kind of dimension my beard. I didn't really do that with my hairs before I got on camera. Hairs look like this right now, and I'm gonna try to do that for the next video. That's all I got. But for all the naturals out there, and I want to tell everyone out there that's watching this video for like a long period of time, or anyone that doesn't watch my videos and maybe trying to get tips, just remember certain things for your hair growth. Means that as long as you listen to your hair will grow. And also listen to when you need to get a little choop choop choop. And don't go all excessive of it. Because I don't want to be like, I've been cutting out good hair. Someone told me that. I don't really recommend all these things. Like twice a year, cut your hair. That's great. If you feel like you need to cut it more, do you. If you feel like you need to cut it less, still, do you. I barely cut my hair. I just be like, needs it. Chum chum. Or I'll just go to somebody. Trusting someone else with your hair is a part of our journey. The reason why we call it that's your hair journey and all this stuff is because you're learning your own hair. If you can afford it, going to a stylist, go ahead, do you. Because, no lie, I'm not gonna lie, I sometimes miss having my hair just being straight. But I know that will never happen for me, and people will always still ask me the same question, you gonna straighten your hair? I promise you, at least 16 people wants to watch me watch 16 to 20,000, I don't care. Whenever that happens, we'll be like, oh, I wish your hair, I want to put it straight. No, that does not really feed me. I like my hair being all poofy and, flowy and thick and juicy. That's just me. But that's me as a person. You have to figure out what you choose to do in your hair path. So what also am I? I am no heat. I do not add heat to my hair at all. I mean, I probably did it about like once a year. And after that, I just stopped because I was like, I feel funny. My hair does not feel the same. My hair actually felt just normal. I don't think heat is an issue. I just never really wanted it for me, myself. The only time I have heat is like hot water, which can be damaging. But like I said, listen to your hair, you'll be great. If you feel like your scalp wants it, give your scalp a little bit of a hot rinse. Go ahead. What type of products am I using? I am still in the Shea Moisture family. Why? Because I just got used to doing it that way. Will I change products? I don't know. I have some stuff I'm going to be trying, so there will be some Jermaine tries. And that's what I'm going with for hair porn. The trying stations. I'm going to be showing you products I'm trying, and then give you a review of it honestly after 2 uses. So you'll understand that will be happening like all this year and enter next year. That's how we're going to continue this moment. But I'm not going to lie. If I do not like the product, I do not think I'm going to support showcasing something that I would not wear. Or I will give you a full-on true how I feel. Now, the reason why I don't always try stuff and give it negative responses is because my hair texture is not your hair texture. If you look at my hair texture and you're like, oh my god, we have the same hair texture. All I can say is, by the system, I am a 3B, 3C, and a 4A. So technically, my hair is all over different textures. Like your hair could be 3 different textures, 2 different textures, 4 different textures. I really want you to understand your texture should be mostly about you making sure you maintain it. Looking through guides to how to help your hair. But, and also one more time, but do not worry about your hair. Your hair is your glory. And like, because I'm a guy, does not mean I didn't want to do a hair journey. I don't know. I don't really understand that whole thing, women should have only their natural hair journey. Men started at a young age. I had perms for a long period of time and I just stopped. And look at the glory of it. Yes, yes. All this kind of thickness. Let's see, you want to talk about strands? I actually have a fine texture. Some people have medium thick strands or coarse hair. Mine is more like, say I'm a perm box, like coarse, and it says coarse or like normal. I have the normal one, which means that my trends means certain hairstyles I wear. I use different tactics than say people with hair that has the same length as me, because they have more strands or they have more like the texture of it, where they'll have plentiful. I don't. So if you're watching and saying like, okay, that's what I want to see. All my videos are on. I've never deleted one. If I didn't like how I perform, I just probably re-upload it. So if you want to stay with the journey with me, if you want to see the past or see how I did it this year, the year before, how I started my whole YouTube channel, go ahead, do that. I love seeing all those. But I want you to also realize is this: all that you do, don't take it as like a loss. When you do your first few months and you don't feel like your hair is growing, it is growing. Your hair grows every single day. Every single day your hair is growing. This second right now, as you watch this video, your hair is growing. So don't look at these challenges as kind of like, this is going to help. Because when you get here without actually learning how to do your hair, if your hair grows an inch every month, or your hair grew an inch by doing a stupid challenge, yay you. But now that whole inch of growth is very virgin. How are you going to train your hair? Because you got used to the newness of all of this. Is all because I know how to do it with my hair. And I know how to do it with the new, with the old. New, old strands. That matters. I want you to realize, please remember always that that is a big deal. These challenges help people, but if it's that much of a new growth, that's something that you now have to maintain and also wield out and also see where the strands go. Because a lot of people with these whole protective styles, they give you a lot of these hopes of 3 months, but you're dealing with this yourself. And if you can't withstand the 3 months, you feel like a failure because this person online did this and you can't. Or you may not like that smell, because guess what? It's a lot of funk when you're doing a protective style, even within 2 weeks. You can buy doing that for 1 month, then I'll do it 2 months, then I'll do it 3 months. And just does not seem smart. And the thing's really funky. All in all, gonna be giving you a lot of other videos because I am really funny. So if you like this video, thumb me up as always. And you probably saw it right here. If you really want to watch me again, watch it again. If you want to share this video, thank you so much for sharing. I love you all. And thank you so much for the hair journey. I'm going to give you more and more. I'm going to be trying my best to commit to Tuesdays for hair porn. Going to give you something for airs briefly. Only briefly because there's nothing much that changes with airs. And I'm going to do some challenges for airs as well. But right now, also for all the people out there, this is No Shave November. I am, what, day 3? Yeah, this is the third. I'm not filming this on the right day. Please remember to not shave all month, and also do hashtag No Shave November for all those out there to help prostate cancer. Yes, we gotta take care of our own. This is for all the men out there, or your boyfriend. Anyone that watches this video, tell your man out there, please don't shave this whole month. I know you want to look fresh for Thanksgiving, but it's near the end of the month, so you can do it at the end of the month. Come on, don't shave with me. Don't shave with me. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching all these years.